you do need to do a little bit of writing practice. When you're preparing for the IIMs interviews, so your focus is essentially on doing a lot of GK work, a lot of knowledge work around the various big events happening. So what you do is you divide the world into 4 parts: local and global. That's 2. That's one division of the world. So what are local events? What are global events? The agricultural bill and the protests around this is a local event, whereas the American presidency and the events around that, that's a global event, right? If you talk about Brexit, it's a global event. If you talk about some East Asian issue, it's a global event. Whereas when you talk about anything in India, the CAA, the political this thing, or the Indian economy's performance after COVID, how it's recovered back, it's a local event. So you divide local and global when you're doing GK. And apart from local and global, you also divide it into current and past. So 4 parts may divide. So you'll get current local, past local, and current global and past global. You start doing it around these 4 boxes and identify issues that you think you should know. The first thing, if you want to go into an issue, the best way to do it is pick up a Wikipedia page, read the Wikipedia page, and then move to the next ones. Some topics you might just want to do through Wikipedia and just know what it is. Others you might want to go deeper and build a mental structure around it, which is deeper. So this is part of a GK. That में कभी-कभी GK issues भी आते हैं, कभी-कभी generic writing हो जाता है, where GK is not important. The other thing is you need to do a little bit of essay writing practice. Learn to get crisper in your writing for 500,000 words. Learn to write in points, etc. Those are things that you should be focusing on.